You might ask yourself, why should I learn vocabularies? Actually, we must learn and understand vocabularies for some important reasons. Number one, vocabulary is the key to communication. Mastering vocabulary is not just important, but crucial in a foreign language environment. Number two, strong vocabulary allows you to develop other skills. A rich vocabulary makes the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing easier to perform. And number three, the more words you know, the more you will learn. You must have a significant vocabulary to be able to learn new words from the context in which they appear. So, every English learner must have an understanding of these 500 basic common vocabularies. And keep in mind, the quality of communication is all based on how many words you know. In this course, you will learn the most useful English words. They were found by analysis of a collection of English course books from various levels. The words included in this course were chosen because they occurred many times in different levels of English materials. These words have the following characteristics. Number one, they are useful in both spoken and written English. No matter what English course you are studying, the words in this course will be of value to you. Number two, each word in these lessons is a high-frequency word. This means that the effort in learning these words is well rapid by the number of times learners have a chance to encounter or use them. Number three, this course as a whole covers a large proportion of the words in any spoken or written text. They also cover at least 90% of the words in conversation. We have also added the book and the PDF of whole content, so you can download the PDF and practice it on your own or with your friends. This course is suggested for basic English learners who want to add great common vocabularies to their English and communicate better. At the end of this course, you will get the confidence to speak and use many useful and common words in English. You will enjoy learning and remembering these words through different exercises and activities. You will learn how to use these words through interesting stories and context. You will also understand the correct form of each word as adjective, verb, noun, and adverb. And this is Ahmad Rabiee. I'm the founder of EnglishFit. I'd like to share my experiences and knowledge with all people from all around the world. I've been teaching English for more than 10 years and having more than 10,000 students. I have MA in Linguistics and TESOL from Cambridge University, and this is my pleasure to be your teacher.